我睇下呢條啦。Master Limited commenced operation on 1st January 2012 and manufacturing a single product. Master 有限公司呢，就喺2012年嘅1月1號呢，就開展咗佢嘅營運啦。而佢呢，即係生產一種單一嘅產品嘅啫。The following information is available for its first year of operation. 下列呢，就係佢第一年營運嘅一啲嘅財務資料啦，包括咗102嘅時候佢個 unit show 銷售咗幾多單位啦 ，units manufactured 佢究竟製造咗幾多個啦，另外嗰啲 cost 啦同埋個 price 嘅資料喺度啦，個 sell 每單位嘅 selling price 啦，每單位嘅生產嘅變動成本啦，同埋一啲 available administrative and marketing costs per unit show 變動嘅行政同埋市場嘅成本每單位就係15蚊啦。The company incurred fixed production overhead of 282000 in 2012。呢間公司咧喺2012年呢就支持到呢一個固定嘅生產費用282000啦。Fixed administrative and marketing costs in 2012 totally 110,000。喺2012年佢嘅固定行政同埋市場嘅費用呢，總數就係110萬啦。Prepare an income statement for the year end 31st December 2012 using absorption costing。叫我呢利用呢個吸收成本法呢編製翻至到2012年10月31日為止嘅income statement 啦。咁我哋而家開始做啦要用 absorption costing。咁 absorption costing 我哋知道啲成本呢，我哋分為佢係manufacturing 同埋 non-manufacturing 嘅。咁另外呢，我要將嗰個 manufacturing 嗰個 cost 呢，就計翻個 unit 嘅 production cost 嘛，因為我陣間呢會喺個 closing inventory 嗰度呢，要 absorb 翻呢啲 cost 噶嘛。所以呢度嚟講呢，首先我睇到呢度有個 fixed production overhead 啦，就係我哋嘅 manufacturing cost 啦，因為 production 即係 manufacturing 同一意思啦，就係282000嘅。但係呢個呢係個冧心數，我哋呢而家呢就要計翻個 unit 嘅 fixed manufacturing cost。咁好簡單啦，就係將282000除翻佢生產咗今年生產咗嘅單位就係94000，所以我將282000除翻94000就係我哋嘅 unit fixed manufacturing cost 結果就係3蚊啦每個。咁另外嗰啲variable 嘅 production cost 已經喺度啦，唔需要再做啦。咁所以呢，我哋直接將佢加埋咗，就係我哋嘅 unit 嘅 production cost 或者我哋嘅 unit 嘅 manufacturing cost 喺呢個 under absorption costing 裏邊，將58再加翻頭先計咗個3蚊，結果就61啦。好啦，咁我開始做我哋嘅 income statement 啦。咁畫定個表啦。首先就係個 sales 嘅 sale 呢，佢個 unit price 就係240，佢銷售咗個單位就係86000，所以個 sales 嘅 revenue 個總數就係86000乘以240，結果呢就係2064萬啦。咁留意呢一度呢有3個0為單位嘅，即係話呢個數呢其實係以千為單位嘅。咁即係呢一度呢其實係2064萬嘅。好啦，跟住呢就到我哋嘅 cost of goods sold 啦。咁 cost of goods sold 本來呢就應該係 opening inventory 先㗎，但係因為佢呢度冇，佢係今年先啱啱12年嘅1月1號先開始嘅生意嘛，所以佢冇 opening inventory 啦。咁直接落去呢，就係嗰個 manufacturing cost of goods complete 啦。喺我哋 absorption costing 裏邊。咁呢度嚟講個數係點計啊？因為我哋頭先計咗每一個 production 嘅 unit 呢就係61蚊，咁佢總共呢就生產咗94000個，所以個總數就係94000乘61蚊啦。結果呢就係5734000啦。好啦，跟住呢就減翻個 closing inventory 啦。咁我哋要計一計 closing inventory 係幾多咯？咁呢度我哋生產咗呢就94000，出售咗呢就86000。咁 剩翻嘅 closing inventory 就係94000減86000結果就係8000啦。另外呢，每一個成本呢，頭先都講過啦，就係61蚊嘛，所以個數呢就係8000或者94000減86000乘翻61，結果呢就係4888000啦，減翻佢啦。咁呢個就係我哋嘅 cost of goods sold 啦，就係5246000啦。然後再減翻佢就係我哋嘅 gross profit 啦，就係153904000啦。咁呢個就係我哋嘅 gross profit 啦。好啦，做完呢個呢，就揀翻我哋嗰啲 non-manufacturing cost 啦。non-manufacturing cost 有咩啊？我哋睇一睇咯。呢度有一個就係我哋嘅 variable 嘅 administrative and marketing cost per unit 啦，每單位就15。咁我告咗呢個先啦。咁呢度15個per unit show 留意係 unit show 即係每個銷售單位計算。咁我總共銷售咗就86000個，所以呢就係15乘以86000。呢個就係我哋嘅 variable 嘅 administrative and marketing cost 啦。結果呢就係129萬啦。好啦，跟住仲有一個呢，就係我哋嘅 fixed 嘅 administrative and marketing cost 就係11萬啦。咁呢個我直接入得噶啦。呢個就係 fixed 嘅 administrative and marketing cost 11萬啦。咁結果呢，將呢兩個加埋咗 ，total 嘅 non-manufacturing cost 就係140萬啦。然後再將佢相減就得到我哋嘅 net profit 就係13994,000。咁呢個就係我哋嘅 net profit 啦。咁完成咗第二條啦。